Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll go through 10 multiple choice questions on identifying assumptions, a topic under analytical ability in the civil service exam. Each question comes with a 10-second timer, but feel free to pause the video anytime if you need more time to think. If you missed my lecture on identifying assumptions with tips and examples, I suggest you watch that first before taking this practice test. I will have it linked in the description below. Ready? Let's get to it. All applicants must pass the entrance exam to be admitted. Which of the following is an assumption? A. The entrance exam is difficult. B. Only those who pass the exam are qualified. C. The school does not admit students without exams. D. Applicants study hard for the entrance exam. The correct answer is letter B. Only those who pass the exam are qualified. The zoo closes at 5 p.m. every day. Which of the following is an assumption? A. People enjoy visiting the zoo. B. No one is allowed inside after 5 p.m. C. The animals need rest after 5 p.m. D. The zoo opens at 8 a.m. The correct answer is letter B. No one is allowed inside after 5 p.m. You can only join the contest if you are 18 years old or older. Which of the following is an assumption? A. People younger than 18 aren't talented. B. Age is the only eligibility requirement. C. Age determines who can join the contest. D. Many people want to join the contest. The correct answer is letter C. Age determines who can join the contest. Students must wear their ID to enter the library. Which of the following is an assumption? A. Some students forget their IDs. B. Library staff are strict. C. Wearing an ID proves student identity. D. Students often go to the library. The correct answer is letter C. Wearing an ID proves student identity. Only employees with a security badge may access the main building. Which of the following is an assumption? A. Security badges are hard to obtain. B. All employees need to access the building. C. The security badge is proof of access rights. D. The main building is always locked. The correct answer is letter C. The security badge is proof of access rights. No refunds will be given for digital products. Which of the following is an assumption? A. All customers read the refund policy. B. Digital products are never defective. C. The company does not allow exceptions. D. Digital purchases are final and irreversible. The correct answer is letter D. Digital purchases are final and irreversible. A manager must approve all leave requests before they are processed. Which of the following is an assumption? A. Employees need permission to take leave. B. Leave requests are often rejected. C. Managers are available all the time. D. There is a limit to how many can go on leave. The correct answer is Letter A. Employees need permission to take leave. If the signal is weak, the call will automatically drop. Which of the following is an assumption? A. Dropped calls are caused only by weak signals. B. The phone system relies on stable signals. C. The users get frustrated with dropped calls. D. Signal strength varies by location. The correct answer is letter B. The phone system relies on stable signals. He always takes the bus to work even when it rains. Which of the following is an assumption? A. He doesn't have a car. B. The bus is the only transportation he trusts. C. Rain does not stop the bus from running. D. He works every day. The correct answer is letter C. Rain does not stop the bus from running. To be a team leader, you must have at least 3 years of experience. Which of the following is an assumption? A. Experience is more important than leadership skills. B. Only those with experience can be good leaders. C. Experience is a requirement for team leadership. D. Most team members have no experience. The correct answer is letter C. Experience is a requirement for team leadership. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future uploads. You can also like and follow us on Facebook for more civil service exam review content. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Good luck!